Hello friends, welcome to class PIP, our Friday session. Last we have discussed that different types of pollution, environment is harmed. A part of this monsoon rain falls in another seasons. On 21st June, the day is longest and night is shortest. 22nd December, shortest day and longest night. 20th March and 23rd September have equal day and night in our session. That is a basic geographical phenomena occurred every year. Recently we have cleared December, so we experience longest and night is shortest. On June, in December, shortest day and longest night, and very next during the month of March, 20th March and 23rd September have the equal day and night. In our discussion session, incidence of disease increasing in a particular time phase. Nowadays corona pandemic is going on, and during this time seasonable games we are playing. Older people and young generation goes for a morning walk as the atmosphere is very cold. So walking is the best exercise during these all days. Yogasana, everything can be conducted. Day and night session here ends. Now, this is the one shortest revision activity. How much have you learned? Part 3. Some examples are given. One example is given here. Next 3 example we are writing. Our first point is can be eaten as a raw. Answer is given cucumber. We can write carrot, cabbage, etc. Roasted and eaten chapati, bread, rotala, which is made from bajra, we can eat. Can be boiled and eaten. After khichdi, you can write next 3 points what you like. Sauteed and eaten, which is fried in oil, paratha. Then other 3 points you can write. Fried and eaten, oily things, 3 points you can write. Then next come herbal medicine. In herbal medicine point, if we put turmeric powder and milk and warm and drink it, it is useful in cough, in diarrhea. Juice of lemon, salt and sugar, useful. In case of gas of stomach, we are using herbal medicine which is available in our kitchen, ajwain, sauf, etc. we can use it. Then colored part represent moisture holding capacity. Moisture means whatever water is holding water in the soil, which have a more water capacity of sucking from the upper layer of the soil, which have a less, and which doesn't remain any kind of water on the surface and throws it. One example is given. More we can put the shaded part of it that I shall give you. Then question answer session. They have asked us 3 type of question. What are the basic components of soil? Types of soil. Which type of soil has a maximum decantation power? Decantation power means which is useful towards us. Then fill in the colors according to the season. Particular season, some materials of food items we have to draw it and then we can use it. Our next session we shall continue with nation's pride. Till then, read and write well. Thank you.